Are you an aspiring game developer or entrepreneur looking to dive into the lucrative mobile gaming market? Perhaps you dream of publishing your own engaging puzzle game, but find the technical hurdles of development, design, and monetization overwhelming. Building a robust, ready-to-publish Android game from scratch, complete with integrated ads, can be a complex and incredibly time-consuming process. Imagine launching a professional, captivating maze game on Google Play in record time, effortlessly. Introducing Maze Ultimate, your complete Android Studio project solution to build and publish a stunning puzzle game with integrated AdMob ads. Maze Ultimate provides everything you need, a high-quality project built entirely in Android Studio using Java. It's designed to be ready for immediate publication, saving you countless hours of development and debugging. Monetize your game effectively right from the start with seamless AdMob integration, supporting banner, interstitial, and rewarded video ads. Offer players over 1,000 unique and challenging levels, ensuring endless hours of engaging gameplay and replayability. Players will enjoy a refreshing variety of maze shapes, including classic squares, intriguing circles, dynamic triangles, and complex hexagons. The clean, minimalist user interface offers a delightful and intuitive experience, keeping players focused solely on the fun. Customization is at your fingertips. Easily change colors and reskin the game to perfectly match your brand vision. Captivate your audience with beautiful animations, smooth transitions, and immersive sound effects, all toggleable for player preference. Enhance gameplay with essential features like pausing and restarting levels, offering players full control over their experience. The intelligent hint system provides a helping hand when players are stuck, keeping frustration at bay and engagement high. Implement an undo move option, allowing players to correct missteps and strategize more effectively through challenging mazes. Seamlessly integrate features for players to review and rate your app, share it with friends, and access your privacy policy. Rest assured with clean, well-structured code that's easy to understand, modify, and maintain for future updates. Our comprehensive documentation guides you through every step, from project setup to customization and publishing on Google Play. Maze Ultimate is your shortcut to entering the mobile gaming market with a polished, professional product that generates revenue. Stop dreaming and start publishing your own successful puzzle game today. Take the definitive step to becoming a mobile game publisher with a proven project. Unlock your potential and launch a captivating game effortlessly. Ready to build your next big hit and monetize it effectively? Find a link to Maze Ultimate in the description below and begin your journey now.